Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Pop's Art. Today I'm doing a Dutch pour with a base made from a mix of black and blue, but my camera doesn't really get along with the color blue. The more blue I use in the base, the more yellowish everything around the canvas looks on video. It's a bit strange, but don't worry. The colors on the painting itself are exactly as they should be. Once I start blowing the colors out, the yellowish tint will disappear. To bring a bit more life and depth to the base, I've also added a few extra colors. So let's see what happens when the colors meet and dance across the canvas. Now I'm adding white and two kinds of blue. I'm making some half circles and little drips, just playing around to see what happens. All the colors are listed below the video. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. Now I'm starting to blow the base out in different directions. You'll notice how the yellow tint disappears and how the base starts to take on a life of its own. The colors blend together and create their own unique patterns. Now the base is in place and I'm ready for the next layer. I'm doing a Dutch pour on top of the Dutch pour I already created as the base. For this, I'm using the same colors I added to the base, plus two extra ones to add a bit more depth and variation. Suddenly, I knock over one of the small cups of paint, and don't even notice at first. But luckily I managed to set it upright again, and there's still enough paint left in it. Phew, could have been worse. Finally I add magenta, or more precisely, I gently drip it onto the canvas. I don't want the color to take over, but I do want it to show up here and there and make a subtle statement. Just a little pop of color in the overall composition. For this blow, I'm using a smaller dryer, since I'm only blowing along the strip. It gives me more control and helps guide the colors exactly where I want them. I'm adding one final strip in the corner, just to create some balance in the painting. Sometimes that little extra touch is what brings the whole composition together.